These are storage benches that stay outside. Good for storing ukuleles or whatever else. And this is part 1. So this was a $200 project for me, but I was lucky and had access to reclaimed wood. I realized that's not going to apply to everybody, so here's what you will need. 2x4s, 1/2 to 3/4 inch sheathing, threaded steel rod, nuts and washers, and weather sealant. To put it all together, you'll use screws, nails, and glue. And here's a complete list of the tools I'm using. I'll include links to these tools below. Yeah. One easy way to deal with nails and screws and reclaimed wood is to use a portable bandsaw, like this one. Next step is to begin framing your base. Next, you want to cut out some notches for the 2x4 frame. With everything cut to size, it's now time to secure the 2x4s in the notches. Really high backs there. I don't know what I was thinking, but I change it later on. It's the same step though. Just attach a crossbeam. I doubled up the 2x4s on the front, sides, and back for the extra support. It made a huge difference. I don't suppose you have to do this step, but I'm glad that I did. Here I am giving the benches a lower back and extra support in the middle. Now it's time to join the benches using threaded steel rod. Simply buy one length of steel rod, cut it several times, and then use the washers and nuts to fuse the benches together. Now that the benches are framed and joined, I'm going to get my orbital sander out, some 60 grit paper, give them a good sanding. This will open the pores and allow me to weather seal the entire thing. Since I'm not using pressure treated wood, I want to protect it from the elements, so I'm using a waterproofing wood sealant and caulking to get that job done. Thank you all very much for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around for part 2.